Tomorrow, don't forget, we have 3 hours of reporting meeting. And don't forget too, the PowerPoint slides that I request you. Oh no, oh my god, I will waste too much time for this report instead of produce value for the client. I don't care. Me first. The chief first, the client next. Hello everybody, here's T.Dy from Agile Consulting. So today I will talk about management in Agile context. A manager in an Agile context is a little different from a manager from a classic context. What are the differences between these two managers? I will show you now. In an Agile context, a manager is most facilitator than a chief in a classical method. The manager is frequently an expert or a chief who like to manage, to coordinate tasks. Now in Agile, the manager embraces the role of growing skills of his employees. He has to share the vision and the strategy of the company to his employees. Why? To give them and to bring them purpose. He set up and implement his team by, for example, hiring, and he defines his mission. He addresses issues and impediments that teams cannot unblock. He takes decisions that cannot be taken by his team. He is responsible for growing his people and career development. He accepts mistakes from his people, from his team, from himself, or from the stakeholders, and use them for improvement. Everybody knows that the report takes much time, so we talk about the time of the meeting. The report meeting lasts some hours, 1 or 2 or 3 hours, and we have to allocate hours to prepare the PowerPoint slides for this meeting too. So you know that you waste so much time in this task instead of produce values for the client. In Agile, we don't need to have PowerPoint slides or to have so many meetings of report that wasting your time. The report is just about visual management, what we call the visual management, and it's about facts. No speech, no slides with idea or report written on false costing or etc. etc. Just go meet the team and look at the visual management board. Agile management is just about transparency and fact. To report in an Agile project, you can use the Kanban. So you can see the progress of each project, of each tasks in the Kanban. In Agile, you can also attend the team demo. During this team demo, the team displayed the progress of their work by displaying the software or the product that they build during the sprint. So it's not PowerPoint or Word or slides, it's just the real product. You can also use burnup chart or burndown chart. Burnup chart is very convenient for a very long project, because in the burnup chart you can see it's an estimation. It's not exact. It's an estimation. So you can see approximately when the team can reach the project objectives. And the burndown chart is very convenient if you want to see the progress within a sprint. So the burnup chart it's powerful because you can see if the team works smoothly or have many problems or have impediments. If you work with the SAFe framework, you can use the board of dependencies. So the board of dependencies is a board produced at the end of the PI planning, and it's displayed the features or the user story with the dependencies between the teams. So it allows you to follow the progress each sprint by sprint. So a manager in an Agile environment is just what we call a lean manager. So that means that he rely on his team skills, and he delegate some of his decision to his employees, to his team, to responsibilize them, and he have to encourage the trust, the motivation, and the continuous improvement among his team. You're gonna put some red color for the client, because I know very well the client. The client loves the red color. Are you sure? Because I often meet the client, and I can say that he don't like red color. But it's your decision. You are the one who decide. You're the chief. Hey, I told you, he don't like the red color. He like the blue color. I told you. But I'm not the one who decide. You're the chief. I'm not the one who decide. It's not my fault. I think that we should put some red color for the client, because I think that he like red color. But I don't know him so much. You like him better than me. So what do you propose? Red color. I don't think that he like the red color. Perhaps blue. Let's try blue color. I think that he should like blue color. Damn! Finally, he don't like the blue color. He prefer the pink color. We're wrong. Oh shit! Yeah, we're wrong. But it's okay. It's fine. At least we know that he liked the pink color. But I think that next time we have to consult him before propose him something, you know. This is the end of this video. I hope that you like it, and if it's the case, put some like please, and subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to share this video with your family, with your friends or your colleagues, and put some comments right below, and I'll see you. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye.